Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today, I want to share a very beautiful videos, very charming looks of this video. It's all about the crochet flowers ideas. Crochet flowers ideas are beautiful thing and beautiful charming looks. Hope so. I really share very attractive things of flowers ideas or trendy videos and trendy designs. It will be a perfect and stunning videos and stunning designs and different types of things, different types of videos are these amazing and beautiful things, beautiful ideas and different types of ideas. You will also good charming videos and you will be a perfect and stunning videos. If any videos related to any pattern, related to any stunning videos, are these amazing, these trendiest videos, you will also good ideas. Also charming videos we have to share with newly attractive design, newly beautiful things, beautiful ideas and most demanding videos I have shared with you. I have shared with newly videos in a newly designs. You will also charming ideas, most demanding and elegant designs and videos. You will be a perfectly and stunning videos in a stunning design. Are you liking these videos of crochet flowers are used in all over crochet things? All over many more attractive ideas and attractive videos. So I request you all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. Always be sharing our good things, good many members are these stunning videos in our beautiful ideas, keep me attractive and sharing our good more elegant videos. Hope so I really share very attractive things. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos in my channel in different types of things, different types of ideas. You will also good ideas, also charming videos. Hope so I really share very attractive videos in attractive designs. Take care, bye bye. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want